Good morning, first graders. Happy Thursday. All right, so yesterday we read the story Fireflies for Nathan. Today you are going to get to learn a little bit more about fireflies in a book through Affix. Don't forget, at the end of the book, there will be a little quiz for you to take, so make sure as you're reading along, be paying attention to what they're talking about, and you can always go back and reread or listen to any of the parts again. All right, here we go. Our theme concept is we can do it. Our strategy is to summarize, and our skill is sequence of events. Let's go ahead and say this together. Here we go. What does it mean to summarize? In my own words, from beginning, middle, end, I tell the story to my friend. All right, so let's see here. Yesterday we did our stretching. Today we're going to do our sounds. So let's see what the sounds are. You tell me the word. J, oi, eight, art, n. Whoops, one more. Or. Great job. All right, here we go with our affix review. So prefix, sound, meaning, again, that means not or apart. Prefix, sound, meaning, that should mean again or back. Suffix, sound, meaning, happened in the past. Now remember, the sound on the ed can make the d, t, or ed sound. Suffix, sound, meaning, full of. All right, here we go. We take a look at these words for our prefix dis. Again, we could have disappear, our base word being appear, that prefix being dis. And I could say Darren noticed that something had disappeared. Oops, I'm adding the ed, it happened in the past. From his room. Ooh, so if it disappeared, that means that it's no longer there. All right, our prefix of re, which is again or back. Santo made the chalk drawing reappear. Ooh, so if it reappears, it's going to appear again. How could he make it reappear if it's disappeared? Yep, he could just draw it one more time to make it reappear. Chalk doesn't last forever. Sometimes we have to redraw it once it starts to fade. All right, adding that suffix ed, which means it happened in the past, I could say Dawson did a drawing where he quickly streaked the paintbrush across his paper. So we have the ed, that means it happened in the past. In our suffix of full, which is full of, let's see, helpful, full of help, I could say Adriana was very helpful at home by emptying the dishwasher for her mom. So helpful means full of help. Great job. All right, here we go. Our first word. My turn, minute, your turn. In a little mouse voice, spell minute. Great job. My turn already, your turn. All right, let's go ahead and clap it out. I'd like you to clap out and spell the word already. Spell already. Nice job, first graders. My turn, above, your turn. All right, let's go ahead and reach our arms, stretch them up above our heads, stretch, stretch, stretch. All right, now bring them back down to your lap. With each letter, I would like you to reach above your head to spell the word above. All right, hands in your lap. Are you ready? Spell above. Great job. My turn, against, your turn. All right, for the word against, let's go ahead and take our hands and we're going to push them against each other by rubbing them back and forth. Can you do that? You hear the sound that my hands are making? Do that with your hands. Rub them against each other back and forth. It actually starts to get kind of warm between my hands when I do that. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to spell the word against with doing a little swoosh against our hands, against each other, back and forth. Here we go. Spell against. All right, that's my word against. Nice job. My turn. Caught. Your turn. All right, pretend you are catching a ball in the air. All right, you caught it. Now you're going to throw it to first base. So with each letter, I'd like you to throw that ball. Here we go. Throw the ball with each letter. Throw it and spell caught. My turn. Pulls. Your turn. All right, first graders. I don't know if you can hear my family in the background, but I can. So hold on. I'm going to ask them to quiet down for just a minute. Josh, Hannah, Jordan, my kids can hear you in the video. Please shut the door. Thank you. All right, sometimes I have to remind them that I'm recording so they're not chatting in the background. All right, let's try that one more time. Spell pulls. Nice job. My turn, head, your turn. All right, in a whisper voice, spell head. Nice job. My turn, everywhere, your turn. All right, if you want to stand up and move, go ahead and push your chair in. Stand up. If you'd rather just stomp your feet on the ground, that's fine as well. Get your body ready so you can either stomp your feet or stand up and stomp your feet. All right, here we go. With each letter, I'd like you to stomp a foot. Spell everywhere. Great job. That was a long word. My turn, gone. Your turn. All right, pretend you're searching for something. It is gone. Put your hands up to your eyes like you're looking. You're looking far away. You're looking high. You're looking low. Where could it be? It is gone. All right, go ahead and search for those letters as you're spelling gone. Spell gone. Nice job. My turn. Do. Your turn. All right, I didn't even need to turn on that one. I think I got in my little teacher robot mode. You knew this one without even me telling you. Close your eyes. Yep, close them. And spell do. Nice work. And I think you can do this one too. Take a look at the word. Yep, you should have said your. Spell your. Nice work. Last word is, yep, from. Spell from. All right, here we go. Let's look at those sounds. Sound. Should have said R. Sound. 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 That makes two sounds, ooh or Sound. Sound. Yep, you should have done aw. Sound. Sound. Did you say ow or o? Yep. Sound. All right, here we go, guys. Day 4, you're doing a great job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. sound, blend. Yep, you should have hand, sound, blend, word. Great job. Sound, sound, blend. Yep, so we should have phi, sound, blend. Good job. That's our first syllable. Second syllable, sound, sound, blend, sound, blend. Should have fly, sound, blend. Whoops, little mistake there. Should have had sound, blend it together would be flies. Now let's put it all together. Fireflies. Nice job. Word, fireflies, and clap it out. Fireflies. Awesome. Great job, first graders. You walk. I am so, so proud of you. Happy